Devotee, how to control the mind? Maharshi, catch hold of the mind. Devotee, how? Maharshi, what is mind? Find it out. It is only an aggregate of thoughts. Devotee, what is renunciation? Maharshi, giving up of the ego. Devotee, is it not giving up possessions? Maharshi, the possessor too. Devotee, the world will change if the people will give up their possessions for the benefit of others. Maharshi, first give yourself up and then think of the rest. Devotee, is there reincarnation? Maharshi, reincarnation can be if you are incarnate now. Even now you are not born. Devotee, how to get rid of the mind? Maharshi, is it the mind that wants to kill itself? The mind cannot kill itself. So your business is to find the real nature of the mind. Then you will know that there is no mind. When the self is sought, the mind is nowhere. Abiding in the self, one need not worry about the mind. Devotee, what is happiness? Is it inhering in the Atman or in the object, or in the contact between the subject and the object? But we do not see happiness in our affairs. When does it actually arise? Maharshi, when there is contact of a desirable sort or memory thereof, and when there is freedom from undesirable contacts or memory thereof, we say there is happiness. Such happiness is relative and is better called pleasure. But men want absolute and permanent happiness. This does not reside in objects, but in the absolute. It is peace free from pain and pleasure. It is a neutral state. A man asked if it was possible to ward off old age and disease by the intake of divine force. Maharshi, you can ward off the body itself. Devotee, how to take in the divine force? Maharshi, it is already there. No need to take it in. It can be done only if it is out of you. But it is only you. There is no taking in or giving out. Devotee, is there any necessity to obey physical laws, that is, dieting? Maharshi, these are in imagination only. I hope you learn. Om Tat Sat.